Are you looking to enjoy crispy, delicious meals without the guilt? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 air fryers under $100 that deliver fantastic taste with healthier cooking options. We've done the research to bring you the best choices available, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your kitchen. For more details on each product, check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. The first on our list is the Chefman 6-quart dual basket air fryer. We chose this model because of its practicality and time-saving design. With its dual 3-quart baskets, you can cook different dishes at the same time, which is perfect for families or anyone wanting to prepare multiple items without juggling between cooking times. The total 6-quart capacity is great for making larger meals, and the sync finish feature ensures both baskets finish cooking simultaneously. That means no more waiting for one side to catch up. Everything is ready to enjoy at the same time. One of the best parts about this air fryer is its versatility. Whether you're cooking chicken, veggies, or even reheating leftovers, the wide temperature range, from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, gives you full control to get your food just right. Plus, the touchscreen presets make it super easy to use, even if you're not familiar with air frying. Cleanup is also stress-free with the non-stick, dishwasher-safe baskets. This model isn't just about functionality, it also has a sleek design that won't take up too much space on your countertop. So, if you're looking for a reliable and convenient way to cook healthier meals with little to no oil, the Chefman 6-quart dual basket air fryer is a solid pick under $100. The second on our list is the Ninja AF 101 air fryer. This air fryer stands out for its ability to cook your favorite meals with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, making it a healthier choice for anyone who loves crispy food. With a 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket, it can hold up to 2 pounds of food, making it perfect for small households. Whether it's French fries, chicken wings, or other snacks, this model makes cooking for 2 or 3 people quick and easy. One of the key features is the wide temperature range, from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows for versatile cooking, whether you're dehydrating fruit or crisping up some fries. You have full control. To ensure the best results, preheating the unit for 3 minutes helps cook food evenly and thoroughly. The intuitive programmable settings also make it easy for beginners to jump right into air frying without the guesswork. Cleanup is a breeze since the basket, crisper plate, and multi-layer rack are all dishwasher safe. Its compact design ensures it won't take up too much space in your kitchen. For under $100, the Ninja AF 101 offers a range of cooking functions and ease of use, making it a great option for healthier meal prep. The third on our list is the Toshiba 5.5-quart air fryer. This air fryer brings ease and precision to your kitchen with its Menu IQ technology, offering 3 preset programs tailored to air fry your favorite foods at the perfect temperature and time. With 8 preset menus, it takes the guesswork out of cooking by automatically adjusting the settings for you, though you can also customize both time and temperature if needed. One standout feature is its 1 degree Fahrenheit accuracy control. Thanks to the built-in sensor, this air fryer maintains a consistent temperature, ensuring even cooking every time. It also features Heat-Q technology, which rapidly circulates hot air to give your food that perfect crispy texture. Whether you're cooking chicken or snacks, the powerful motor and heater work together to deliver satisfying results. Safety is another key aspect of this model. It automatically pauses when the inner pot is removed and has an auto shutoff feature for added peace of mind. The non-stick coating makes it easy to clean, and its 5.5-quart capacity is ideal for families or small gatherings. For under $100, the Toshiba 5.5-quart air fryer offers a mix of advanced technology, safety, and convenience, making it a great addition to any kitchen. The fourth on our list is the Cosori air fryer 5-quart. This air fryer is a great option for those new to air frying, thanks to its 9 professional presets that cover everything from chicken to veggies. It simplifies the cooking process, allowing you to prepare meals with just the touch of a button. Plus, with advanced air circulation technology, it locks in moisture while giving your food a perfectly golden, crispy finish, making it perfect for small families or apartment living. One of its standout features is its ability to reach up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, significantly reducing cooking time. This makes it an excellent choice for busy individuals who need a quick, reliable option for dinner. The compact 5-quart size is ideal for 2 to 3 servings, and its small footprint saves countertop space while still offering excellent performance. The Cosori air fryer is also designed for health-conscious users as it delivers crispy results with little to no oil. You can enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the added guilt. Plus, with over 100 app-based recipes available and detailed nutrition facts, meal planning and tracking your diet has never been easier. Cleanup is quick, thanks to the dishwasher-safe non-stick basket and crisper plate. At under $100, the Cosori 5-quart air fryer is a smart, compact choice for anyone looking to make healthier meals without sacrificing flavor or convenience. The fifth on our list is the Chefman Turbo Fry Touch. This air fryer offers a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods by using 98% less oil, making it perfect for anyone looking to cut calories without sacrificing taste. With its 4 one-touch presets, cooking French fries, chicken, fish, or meat is as simple as pressing a button, which takes the guesswork out of meal prep. A unique feature is its LED shake reminder, which alerts you when it's time to shake the basket for even crisping. You can also customize the cooking temperature between 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to achieve the perfect texture for whatever you're cooking. The 5-quart capacity is ideal for feeding a small family of 3 to 4 people, and its quick cooking times make it easy to get dinner on the table fast. Cleanup is simple thanks to the removable dishwasher-safe basket and cooking tray. The Turbo Fry Touch also includes a handy automatic shutoff feature, pausing cooking when the basket is removed and resuming when it's replaced. Its compact, sleek design ensures it won't take up much space on your countertop while still delivering on performance. With its combination of convenience, safety, and a family-friendly size, the Chefman Turbo Fry Touch offers a great balance of function and style, all for under $100. That concludes our roundup of the top 5 air fryers under $100. We hope this guide has helped you discover the right option for your kitchen. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.